Hi guys, I've been given 3 cordless strimmers, or battery operated. And I've found the batteries for them. The one for the Black & Decker, the battery is completely flat and it looks like the charger doesn't work, so that's going to be a little project to look at that. Apart from that, I'm told that one works, or did work the last time it was used, which could have been a few years ago. This one, Bosch, I charged the battery up, and if I can do this, battery in, sounds like it works fine, except it's missing the thing that holds the cutting line, the cord, or what you want to call it, because I don't think it just wraps around there, so I think we're missing a bit somehow. Something's not right there anyway. And then this one, Gardenline, the battery appeared to charge up okay. Okay. So that sounds like it works. And they said that one doesn't distribute the line properly when you bash it, because you sort of tap. The idea is you tap that bit on the ground and that's supposed to loosen the cord and distribute it, push a bit more out. Could just give that a try. That seems to have done the job. Yeah, the bit all clogged up with grass there is where the blade is that cuts it to length when you extend it. That one might be a worker. What I expected to find was they were all useless, so I was going to take them apart and pinch the motors out of them, because being as they're 18 volt lithium ion batteries, there's a good chance they're 18 volt motors, which could be alright for my model cars. But that one, which apparently is supposed to be the good one, as I say, the battery is completely flat, so I'll have to see what we can do about the charger. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.